Hey there, are you having trouble with your iPhone email not syncing after an update? It can be super annoying, especially when your Apple Mail isn't syncing with Gmail. But don't worry, I've got a handy guide for you to troubleshoot and fix the problem so that your emails sync just fine. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Resync your Gmail or iCloud account. First, open Settings. Next, scroll down the list. Then tap on the Mail app. After that, scroll down and tap Accounts. Choose your account. If it's iCloud, tap on your iCloud account. Now tap iCloud and select See All. Find iCloud Mail and turn it off for a few seconds. Then turn it back on. Now go back to your email account and select your Gmail account. Turn off the switch for Mail. Finally, turn it back on after a few moments. Solution 2. Offload and reinstall the Mail app. Start by opening Settings, then scroll down. Next, tap General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage. Find and tap the Mail app. Tap Offload app and confirm your choice. Once offloading is complete, tap Reinstall app. Solution 3. Check your internet connection. Swipe down to open the control center. Next, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure you have a stable connection. Finally, verify that you have a reliable internet connection. Solution 4. Recheck your mail fetch settings. Open Settings again, then scroll down. Tap on the Mail app. After that, tap Mail Accounts. Tap on Fetch New Data. Ensure that Push is enabled for Gmail. Set the fetch interval to your preference, for example every 15 minutes. Solution 5. Remove and re-add your Gmail account. Open Setting once more, scroll down again, tap on the Mail app. After that, tap Accounts. Select your Gmail account and tap Delete Account. Then tap Add Account, select Google and follow the prompts to re-add your Gmail account. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down again, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Finally, tap Reset and select Reset network settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with your iPhone email not syncing after an update or with Apple Mail not syncing with Gmail. If you're still having trouble or need more help, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Happy emailing!